pod coffee maker. These were pioneered and advanced primarily in Japan originally, but have become very popular here in the United States. So Braun, a well-known company, has teamed with Tassimo, which is the Japanese coffee maker manufacturer, and have brought this to the United States. You see these coffee pods in all the grocery stores. It's a great way to make coffee. It makes a lot of sense, doesn't take up a lot of room. Let me show you how this operates. Back here you've got your water dispenser, which pulls out very easily, and you just basically fill this up with water. Once you fill that up with water, you then open up this top and you put in your coffee pod. They're available in all kinds of flavors, so you can have a flavor of the day. And then you lock that in. You can put in a cup or a taller cup, because you can actually make 1 cup of coffee and then come back and brew another cup of coffee, all from the same water bin and the same pot. Once you plug it in, you can put it on auto, manual. Also has settings for just heating, and then standby. Leave it in standby mode, come back, put your cup under there, and then fill it full of coffee. So this is a great coffee maker. Let me turn it around for you so you can see everything. This lights up here on top, which is pretty cool. And you can see the rear. This is used, but it is in excellent condition. That is the on-off switch, and it's ready to go. So just bid high, bid often, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask.